Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce the point of view in Alice to you right now. So first of all, we create a world right now. After that, we want to add objects, more controls, drop down and camera. So so if we click the plus sign, then you can find the dummy. That's the camera view right now. And we want to name dummy objects to camera view always. And the dummy, if it depends, so we want to add the people in right now. So ancients, maybe our angles, region. So we want to do the introduction. So turn, face, and here is the way we do the drop down camera. So we move it to what we want first, move the camera to what we want first, and I want this view right now. So I click this, drop down a camera. Then I dropped it and I named it as angle view. After that, I want to do the same thing to the Egyptian. Okay. So drop down a camera. Egyptian view. You need to click on the here and you can rename it, or you can right click on it and rename it. Okay, so after we drop down the camera, what is that used? How can we use that? For example, we want to do an introduction, create a new method called introduction. Oh, one thing. We also want to have a original view. Here, drop down the camera, down to camera view. So right now we rename it as original view. Original view. Okay, done. And you can test it here. So angle view, see, it goes to the angle, and Egyptian view, and original view. Okay, after we done this, we want to make an introduction, for example, and we do maybe here camera. You click camera and you click set point of view to, and move it, and say camera view, because that's our whole camera view folder. And we want to go to angle view right first. We want to do angle first. So angle, after this angle say, maybe say hello. And after this, maybe camera view set. Maybe we set camera view to Egyptian view. And after this, the cam. Wait, here. It moved to angle view first and say hello, and it moved to Egyptian view. And we here, then we want to say Egyptian say. We say hello too, and that's how we do point of view. And I think this make the whole world and whole Alice world be much much variety and much beautiful. I think that's more skilled, and I think this is also the most important part of the Alice Works. That's the basic skills when we want to do Alice Work. Thank you very much. Have a good day.